Nagbabalik ang Entrepreneurs TV! Nag-enjoy ka na? Nakatulong ka pa sa kalikasan. Ito ang layunin ng Rotary Club of Malingap, Quezon City sa kanilang naging tree planting activity na ginanap sa Nasugbu, Batangas in partnership with Forest Crest Nature Resort and Hotel. Paano nga ba nakakatulong ang mga proyektong katulad nito sa ating business at para sa ating kalikasan? Let us all watch this.
Today, we are having one of our CSR, corporate social responsibility, which is taking care of the environment. Because one of the purpose of CSR is not only providing jobs to the employees and also making profit, but also giving back to the environment.
We are happy that we have the same advocacy in tree planting with Entrepreneurs and Rotary Club of Malingap, Quezon City. Like ngayon, binabaha tayo, 'di ba? So importante talaga na magkaroon tayo ng marami pang tanim para maiwasan natin ang pagbaha sa lahat ng lugar sa ating bansa.
With Miss Marie and the Forest Crest team, we share the advocacy of reforestation, how we take care of the environment, and with that, we have such projects like the tree planting, the transplanting, and we also support the sustainability.
Nagkondak kami ng tree planting kasi ang proyektong ito ay isa sa advocacy project ng Rotary Club. Kami pong mga Rotary Club of Malingap, Quezon City, ginawa namin itong tree planting nito. Alinsunod dun sa isa sa 7 areas of focus ng District 3780, yung environment.
Let us just wish that this plant, these trees, may bloom at para mas makatulong pa po tayo sa environment at inaasahan namin yung lahat po maging inspiration po para sa kanila.
So let us continue to be vigilant in caring our environment, especially like for example, if when you are in travel, kailangang mga basura nyo, pag wala kayong nakitang mga garbage can, ano ang gagawin nyo? Ilalagay muna sa bag nyo, safe keep muna until makakita kayo ng garbage can.
We encourage everybody to plant. Magtanim po tayo kahit sa ating bakuran para makatulong tayo sa ating nature na hindi tayo bahain katulad ng nangyayari ngayon.
And also kung wala po tayong backyards, meron po tayong mga empty bottles. So para makapag-provide din po tayo ng nutritious food sa ating family, and let's support each other for a healthy ecosystem and nature environment.
Mahalin po natin ang inang kalikasan kasi para po naiiwasan natin yung mga disasters, lalo na yung bagyo, pagbabaha. So, kailangan po talaga nating mahalin ang ating environment, ang ating inang kalikasan. Again, maraming salamat po.
Once again, would like to extend our thanks to our partners, namely Forest Crest Nature Resort and Hotel, Rotary Club of Malingap, as well as the Rotaract of Malingap. And in behalf of Entrepreneurs, thank you and good day everyone.
We would like to thank the following: Bureau of Internal Revenue, RDO 50, South Makati City; Cosmoderm Aesthetic Clinic; Ilios Home Buffet; Beko Philippines; Forest Crest and Nature Resort and Hotel; Golden Globe Annual Awards. At yan ang mga bagong business ideas at impormasyon na pabaon namin sa inyo ngayong linggo. Samahan nyo kaming muli sa susunod na linggo, alas 9 pa ng umaga, dito pa rin sa PTV. Ako po si CJ Hiro at ito ang Entrepreneurs TV. Sabay-sabay tayong umasenso sa buhay at negosyo.